Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to a quick analysis on Swiss yen. So let's take a look from Swiss yen's higher time frame perspective. You can see that we have this really strong impulsive phase to the downside. This is clearly an impulsive move, and then price became into this kind of a parallel channel kind of correction. We know that channel corrections, especially these parallel channel corrections, it needs few swing highs and few swing lows to classify it as a parallel channel. So we do have that here on the higher time frame. So as we know how the nature of the price move after a impulsive move followed by a larger correction, there's a stronger probability to get the next impulsive move and possibly break down to the previous low. So that's kind of what I've been looking at for quite some time now, and choosing among a few yen pairs that we have here is looking really, really clean. So if you're looking into the lower time frame here, we can tell that this is that kind of ascending channel moving the price up within that parallel channel that we see here on the higher time frame, so multi-time frame analysis. And if we can look at the top of that ascending channel, there is also another lower time frame ascending channel. So all these price action, you can notice a small lower time frame ascending channel within this ascending channel and within this larger higher time frame parallel channel. All these are very, very good bearish confirmation from the price, bearish kind of price action. And we can clearly see that price is stalling once again here, and it's reaching to this top yet, and it's very close to all these areas that we just point out. Price doesn't necessarily have to touch the area. It's all about how the lower time frame price action developing. So I already see that this potentially is that first confirmation I'm waiting for. I want to wait to see how this confirmation of this correction will finish and then eventually break out from that small ascending channel. And let's look for some sort of lower time frame continuation that's going to develop here on the lower time frame. That's going to give us the last bit of a confirmation. So wait for this correction to complete. It might continue or correctly even upwards for a little bit longer. Let that do so. But eventually, when we do see that strong bearish breakdown from the price and strong kind of clear kind of continuation correction here on the lower time frame and looking for entry here, I think it's very, very clean. If you do have a good entry plan or so, if we're looking for a breakout entry, breakout after a correction after breakout entry, wait for price to break out, wait for that correction, even if it's just down to the lows of that kind of ascending channel on the higher time frame, we're still going to get about 5 to 1 or so. But if we look at the overall higher time frame structure, if we can actually break out, if the price can actually have momentum to break out of this ascending channel, look how much downside potential that we have. Certainly price doesn't move in one go, but it's likely to move down, form a correction, push down, form a correction, and so and slowly move down. But the risk reward is there, the potential move is there, and if you look at the overall higher time frame, is very, very valid for that impulsive move followed by large correction structure, and then looking for the next impulsive move. So there it is. It's made my price action breakdown on Swiss yen. I think it's one of the cleanest one out there. So look for potential entry if it develop here on the lower time frame. So any question, comment, feel free to let me know below, and chat with you guys all next time. Thank you very much.